Alright guys, I think we have the kinks worked out of the Sinew Cordage. So let's see if this one does the trick. Here is the new piece of Sinew cord. Actually, I mentioned that I had some pieces that were broken, or bow that had broken, that I used the larger pieces of the backstrap sinew for. These are some parts that I had pulled off the bow about half an hour ago, and unfortunately this 10-inch piece took me a full half an hour to make because it's quite a bit thicker and a lot more splices in it. But for the sake of the demonstration, the length doesn't really matter as long as it'll lift this. I also weighed the toolbox. It is 26 pounds. It's not quite 30, but still a heck of a lot heavier than a squirrel or bunny would be. And I hope this does not break. I haven't actually tried this yet. Okay, that is not bad. Now, that will be the final strength test for this piece of cordage. I know what I did wrong originally, what I screwed up, and it's really easy to make it work. What I did is I made the pieces far too small, and after looking at where it broke before, it actually broke at two places where I screwed up in making the cordage. I put two splices within about half an inch of each other, and that's where it broke. The cordage itself didn't actually break, but the splices came undone, and that's why the cordage failed. So using these 10-inch pieces from the back of the bow, which fortunately I didn't put enough hide glue on, which made it easier to pull them off, that made the cordage work well. So if you do have longer pieces of sinew fibers and you make them a bit thicker, they're very strong. I'm actually going to get a bow scale out and see if I can put some weight on it to break it, just to, out of curiosity, find out what the breaking strength is, and I'll post that if it breaks.